I'm going to do some 8-ball strategy today. I'm going to break the balls and talk about stripes and solid and whether the balls are problem, solution, and neutral. So first thing to look at is the 8-ball. Is that open? It does go in the here. It's kind of shadowed by that. And then you look at, start with the solids or the stripes. I start with the solids. That's open. Neutral ball, neutral ball, neutral. Neutral ball, that's shadowed, and that's a neutral ball. So the only real problem is here. Now with the stripes, that's a neutral ball, neutral, neutral. It's kind of shadowed. That's neutral, but it's got a tough position zone to get into. So just because of this ball, I'm going to take the stripes. So I'm going to attack it like that. Let's see how we do. And I think that goes pretty good. I wouldn't advise bumping into a ball, but that was my only option I had. Let's see. I'll try it again. Break and run around another rack. So break the balls. All right. So I always look at the 8-ball. The 8-ball doesn't have a pocket right now, so I gotta keep that in mind. I gotta eliminate this one to get on the 8-ball. Let's look at solids first. That's neutral. It's in the open. Neutral, 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 pretty neutral. And then if you look at the stripes, that's neutral. That'll go in the corners. That's neutral, 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 neutral. Now, just because at the end I want to make the 8-ball, it doesn't have a pocket. So let's say if I did eliminate this ball, then it'd be open. But just because of that, see if I have a starter shot. Yeah, I have a starter shot. I'm going to take stripes just to eliminate it. And I'm going to attack this side, come down here and make the 8-ball. So anyway, basically the video, I missed a shot, but basically you want to look at the stripes, the solids, when you're playing 8-ball. When you read the table and determine which one has the most problems. The solids have the most problems, the stripes have the most problems. Can you make the 8-ball at the end? Is there a key ball that's easy to get on the 8-ball? I would just take the balls, throw them out like this. I look at the pool table like this. The problem areas on a pool table are here, here, the center of the table, because you got to get shape and move your cue ball too much here. And then there's problem zones here and here, because you have to get an angle on that shot. And then just like I did, just go through each ball, the stripes, and determine, okay, it's shadowed by this, so that's a problem ball. That's a neutral ball. That's a neutral ball, but that's a problem ball, so you have to eliminate that ball. That's a neutral ball, neutral, neutral. Solids, that's a problem ball, because it doesn't go. That goes, that's a neutral ball, neutral ball, neutral ball, neutral ball, neutral ball, neutral ball. And then determine what's an easy ball to get on your 8-ball. If you start looking at both balls after you break, the stripes, the solids, whether it's a problem, a solution, or a neutral ball, you're going to start to see patterns better for each suit and get to the 8-ball, and you're going to choose the right group. So that's really important. Problem, solution, neutral. Thanks for watching.